Tonight's the night before I go solo traveling in the morning. It feels really scary. I never ever expected it to feel like this. I don't know if it's an age thing. I don't feel as though I'm too late to travel. Of course I don't. I'm still quite young. I'm 29. It's very weird. I feel really stuck in my comfort zone at the moment. I don't think I ever realized until literally today where it's kind of time to go, and I've just felt myself, I think yesterday I felt myself getting kind of anxious, and it's not like me at all. Normally I'd be really excited for a trip. I don't know, does this happen? Has this happened to you? Because it's just scary. I know I'm excited. I know it'll be really good, but I think I'm a very outgoing person, a very sociable person. I don't really have any issues where I'm worried about kind of not meeting anyone or things like that. It's just more so that I feel very actually comfortable in my life and how it is. And I guess a career break is to just go out, explore, and pep talk to myself, Jag, you're going to have the best time. You're going to meet so many people. You're not going to want to come home. I like it here though. I guess we'll just see what happens. It's the morning of the biggest trip, longest trip, hopefully the best trip of my life. All ready to go. It's literally just after kind of 5 a.m. this morning. Packing cubes, they're so good. I haven't used loads, but you can see they've just really helped to section things off. Like, I actually love them. I have got a little shower filter, brand new Crocs. I need to cut those off and get these. Oh, I can't believe I'm actually going today. Also got the brand new SURI toothbrush. Honestly, the case, it all looks insane. My good friend also told me to pack all of the good medicines from home. I hope I don't need these. I have a little collection of books, Think and Grow Rich, The Power of Positive Thinking. I think I read it, I might read it again. It's called Untitled, which maybe works for my whole trip. I know, it is a bit silly. It's obviously just a trip. It's just the longest that I've ever done. I have travelled before, but I think I just haven't really solo done anything in a really long time. I also haven't weighed it, but should be fine. Oh God. I'd lifted up the sides before, but that has gotten so much heavier. I'm gonna miss this place. Happy sabbatical. 5 minutes into my train, which is good timing for me, but needed with this huge suitcase. It's my final train before getting to Gatwick Airport, and the travel group in the WhatsApp is speaking, and I've really thought, you know what, I've gone in with a weird mindset thinking I don't want to make any friends, I can't be bothered. Probably not the way I should be before going on a group tour, but I have just put myself out there, and I've responded in the group chat just saying I'm flying from Gatwick. Feels like a big move. Sister gave me this bag. Oh, thank God, it's making everything so much easier. So I'm very good for time, and I'm going to fly to Shanghai and then to Hanoi in Vietnam. Oh my God. Yes, let's go. Thank God that woman was so nice and she didn't actually charge me or anything. My lounge access sorted. Thank you, Amex. So quick. And now I'm going through duty free, so it's that airport feeling. Time to find this lounge. If you don't know about airport lounges, you have to try them. It's like a different world. I only discovered them a couple of years ago actually, but game changer. Which one to choose? Lounge. Plaza Premium. With the lounge access, you can get all of this food. You can get some complimentary drinks. You can stay for about 2 hours. It's so comfortable. There are toilets. It's just amazing. It 100% has value for money. I've eaten, and now I'm probably gonna leave the lounge and go and board my flight. Crazy. So how am I feeling? I'm excited. I'm more excited now, and I feel a bit nervous to meet people. Weird. I don't know. I'm nervous, excited, which is good. Not scared. I think I'm feeling like I'm gonna really enjoy myself, which is good. Like, I've got positive vibes. Positive vibes. See the plane as well. I flew with China Eastern Airlines, and I have no complaints, to be honest. It was literally just everything you'd need. Time to go. I slept most of the flight, but the food was so good as well. After over 11 hours to Shanghai, I then went to another lounge. I literally spent like all of my time in this massage chair. It was actually really cool. I think at one point I even had a little nap in it, but then I did get a massage and it started to get really aggressive actually. Whoa. I then had some food and I was a bit scared to eat it because it was quite watery, but it was actually really nice and nothing happened from this one. I caught my connecting flight, everything went smoothly. I did think I nearly lost my suitcase. That happened to me once, but it was fine. Slept again, lovely, lovely food, and then I just freshened up a bit. And then yeah, I've arrived. My driver is on the way in about 5 minutes, so this is exciting. I am quite tired though, but I finally got to Hanoi. I'm in Vietnam. And yeah, let's just see where this goes. Subscribe and give me a like, drop any comments, just yeah, I'd love to hear what you think.